Finding current and voltage across resistors in series. I have 3 resistors of 1 ohm, 2 ohm, and 3 ohm. So to find the current flowing through them and the voltage across them, the first step we do is we find total resistance of the circuit. Total resistance in series is you add them. So it'd be 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals 6 ohms. So in essence, if I combine them all, the whole circuit has 6 ohms of resistance. After you do that, then you find the total current flowing through the circuit. It was determined by the resistance. So total current, using Ohm's law, is total voltage over total resistance. Total voltage drop is 6 volts. Total resistance is 6 ohms. So the total current is 1 amp. That's when I go and I draw it in, 1 amp. So how much current is going to go through this guy? Well, has nowhere else to go, 1 amp. Comes around here, 1 amp. How much is going through him? 1 amp. Current flows this way. Current going through this guy is 1 amp. And the current heading home, 1 amp. That leads us to what you need to know for series circuits. You need to know how you add resistor, how you get the total resistance, and you do it just by adding them. You need to know that in a series circuit, the total current is equal to the current that goes through everybody that's in series. So that would be the 1, the 2 ohm, the 3 ohm. And finally, we want to find the voltage drop across each one of these. And that's quite easy. You use Ohm's law again. But this time, you use Ohm's law specifically around each one. So the first one I'm going to do, the voltage for the 1 ohm resistor equals current going through it times the resistance of it. The current going through it is 1 amp. The resistance of it is 1 ohm. The voltage is 1 volt. Okay, do the next one. The voltage drop for the 2 ohm resistor is the current going through it times its resistance. The current going through it is 1 amp. The resistance is 2 ohms. Multiplied together, the voltage drop across it is 2 volts. And finally, the same thing on the last one. I times R, 1 times 3. So the voltage drop across the 3 ohm resistor is 3 volts. That leads us to the other thing you need to know in series circuits. You need to know that the voltage drop for the entire circuit, the total voltage drop, is equal to the sum of the voltage drops of all the items in series. So you can see 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals 6.